In today's video, I'm going to show you how to check what version of Microsoft PowerPoint you have. This is especially important if you're following a tutorial, troubleshooting an issue, or making sure your software is up to date. Different versions of PowerPoint have slightly different features and layouts, so knowing your exact version can save you a lot of time and confusion. The good news is, it only takes a few clicks to find this information. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss anything. And if this video helps you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and helpful software tutorials. Let's get started. First, go ahead and open Microsoft PowerPoint on your computer. You can do this by clicking on the Start menu on Windows and typing PowerPoint into the search bar, then selecting the app from the results. If you're on a Mac, open Finder, go to Applications, and click on Microsoft PowerPoint. Once PowerPoint launches, you can either open an existing presentation or just stay on the Start screen. It doesn't matter which file you have open, because the version information is tied to the application itself, not the individual presentation. Once you have PowerPoint open, look to the top left corner of the screen and click on File. This will open what's known as the Backstage view. In this area, you'll see several options in a menu on the left-hand side, such as Home, New, Open, Save, and more. This section is where you manage your account settings, app information, and other important details related to PowerPoint. Next, in the menu on the left, click on Account. After clicking Account, you'll see information about your Microsoft Office subscription or license on the right-hand side of the screen. Look for a section labeled About PowerPoint. Under this section, you'll find details about your product, including whether you're using Microsoft 365, Office 2021, Office 2019, or another version. You should also see the exact version number and build number listed there. If you want even more detailed information, click on the About PowerPoint button. A small window will pop up showing the full version number, build number, and whether you're using a 32-bit or 64-bit version. This can be very helpful if you're installing add-ins, troubleshooting compatibility issues, or contacting Microsoft support. And that's it. That's how you quickly check what version of Microsoft PowerPoint you have installed on your computer. It's a simple process. Open PowerPoint, click on File, then click on Account, and look under About PowerPoint for your version details. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more easy-to-follow Microsoft Office tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.